This is looking pretty interesting. We can already see context looking pretty damn good against the Strawberry squad. We'll see what it looks like. It's only the first 2 minutes here, but right now context is really locked in, and they are whooping. They're beating these Strawberries.
Another one right into the back. Back the road, right by the gate. Spawns are coming in, though. Spawns are coming in.
West healer.
Out-rotate the bruisers and eliminate. Respawns on you.
Okay. Pulling back a little bit.
Big on Sonic.
Big on
Sonic. Big on Sonic.
Near Sonic.
I'm keeping Dreams alive. He's got
kill
squad on
right now.
They're all, yeah, they're looking at me right now. Huge.
Nice.
Good.
Back to healers on road with Rinzen.
Real cool gamer. Netted. Real cool gamer. Netted. Dead.
Real dead.
West healer. Damn. I got stunned on all their healers here. Abomasm. Rended. Full rended. One shot.
Sacred's on you there.
5.
Wasted.
No fight all these healers.
No. We're on cold sets.
I'm on Kenny Thomas. Half health and stamp. Knocked down.
Their kill squad's on us. Kill and dag.
5.
Yeah.
4.
Trying to kite the kill squad.
Netted. Dead.
Can we get our kill squad with us?
Yeah.
Our side, cold side.
Regroup with us on cold side. On cold side B.
We're here. We're with you.
Yep, they're here with us. We're ready. Let's keep moving.
Yeah, we killed their great sword. Their kill squad's next. Just go healers here.
Rosa netted.
Real cool game. Nice.
10 seconds.
10 seconds till the next respawns.
Yeah, I'm with you guys if you guys want to jump in.
Rosa netted.
3, 2.
He's staggered.
Sacred's on you too.
Rended.
Got you, Rinzen.
30 seconds.
Pulling back.
We're good. You're here. Was that a teabag, Dreams?
Yeah, a bitch was teabagging me in OPR, motherfucker.
20 seconds.
Oh my God.
I need help.
30 seconds.
Coming back.
Coming back to you, you know? Sorry.
I got you now.
I have nothing.
We're good.
I'm here with you.
I feel if they keep chasing, you're good.
Yeah. Yep. You should be good.
Oh, I'm getting jumped.
You're good. I got you here.
No,
10 seconds.
I'm looking.
I got the peel.
I'm line of sight.
Good shit.
5, 4,
Good shit.
3.
Good shit, boys.
2.
Good pre-heal Sonic. Sick.
Pushing into Rosa.
20 seconds.
Bro, look at that fucking bait, dude.
15 seconds.
I'm
coming back.
No fight,
I get to you.
Okay.
30 seconds.
I'm just getting some pressure on point.
Real cool gamer dead. Teabagging.
Sacred's on an M&A.
20 seconds.
The healer.
I'm good. I'm
dead.
We're on their road now.
Sacred's an M&A.
Just stay on no knife. Screamed him. Get fucked.
2,
I'm ping.
1.
Okay, I'm going on west.
I slowed him.
Big grenades on west.
No riposte.
Dead.
Good shit.
Adam got out. He's near tree.
Sacred's here on a stag.
Okay, I'm
See
playing
Adam?
the sacred with
I'm gonna dive him.
They're king medium.
2.
He just gave
Oh
up.
my god, you killed Kenny.
Respawns are now 60
best.
seconds.
Respawns just came in.
Bro, you guys aren't taking
5,
damage.
4.
Guys.
There's a healer crossing a road.
It is what it is, guys.
Why did the healer cross the road?
It's time.
Got you, Rinzen.
Time, guys. Get the flutes down. Get the salutes in the chat, guys. It is about the time. I hate to do it. I hate to do it, guys. But strawberries, these strawberries are rotten. We got some rotten strawberries, and context just holding them down.